What's up, everybody? It's Mike here from Sloppy TV. Another unboxing, another review. This one's big. Look at this, guys. What could it be? This is actually the second. There's two of these boxes, but one was already open. So, I also got another small one first. Avalon King. So what this is, guys, is ceramic coating for your car. We'll do a video of this. I'm actually not doing it on my car yet. I have to work on my paint a little bit because it's a little crappy. So the big box is Wheelz. So I got this for my wheels. Yep, there's what it came in. So we'll ceramic coat the wheels. I think this was 60 bucks, but you can get like a $20 coupon if you just follow the directions on their website. So yeah, nothing really too much to that. Oh wait, it does come with apply, smile, and enjoy. Apply, smile, and enjoy. Yay. Oh yeah, also excuse my voice if I sound a little bit like fucking Krusty the Clown. I don't have coronavirus. I promise. But I thought this came with Jesus fucking Christ. Got the it's fucking goddamn lube to get it out. Tell you, the bottle's pretty cool though. Okay, there it is. Cloth rag there. Or well, I don't know what fucking material it's made of. Don't judge me. Some gloves because safety first. This block and this towel, little cloth here. But oh God, it happened. Give it here. We're gonna apply this stuff. Don't worry. We're gonna make a video of it. But stickers, guys. Who doesn't like stickers? Screw around. And I think it also is that an instruction book. Okay, it is an instruction book. Instructions. All right, so that's that. Let me put all this back off to the side. Okay, guys, on to the big shit. Okay, these are gonna be tasty, boys. This cat just always wants to be in the videos, ruining it. Oh, okay. So we want to help open it? You're helping open it, Mr. Baumeister? Alright, thanks, big dog. Oh. So there's actually two packages in here. Jesus, it's more fucking tape. I'll tell you what. I got these from Import Image Racing. As much as I don't like to cut all this off, I do appreciate this though. Especially because I work at UPS. And a lot of the wheels we get will just come in the wheel box. It doesn't come in like an extra one. Oh yeah, boys, some Cosmis racing wheels from Import Image Racing. Judge me aggressively. How do you feel about that? Give him a follow. Alright, let's pop these. Oh, Mr. Baumeister! Kitty, you gotta get down. Alright, Mr. Baumeister, you're gonna have to watch yourself. Psycho. Okay, there it goes. Be very, very careful. Hiya! Love the packaging. That's how secure these are. You're not gonna have to worry about the lip of your wheels getting smashed on anything, because there's also these on the other side down there, so let's get these off the side. Oh my God. Oh wait, this thing's really in there. Tasty. Oh my God. I don't even want to pick it up. Let me get right back. I'm gonna put these up so you can see them better. Alright, boys, out here. Got the wheels in the sun. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. So these are Cosmis XT-206Rs. 18 by 11 plus 8. Oh, I can't wait to get these on my car. Oh my God, the finish is so crazy.